I keep thinking about what it's like to live with creativity. Not as a concept or in a romantic way. Just as something that shows up with me every day. Creativity has always felt like a companion to me. Something steady, dependable. Something that never judged. Lately, it comes and it goes. Some days, it's right there. I can slip into it without trying. Those are the good days. The world just fades out. I don't think about what else I should be doing or whether something else matters. It's just there. I feel connected. Other days, it doesn't come. Nothing clicks. No ideas, no pull. I notice it right away. It's not dramatic, just dull. Like time moving forward without accomplishing anything. Those are the days I don't like at all. That feeling of being disconnected. It's starting to feel slightly different now. Slower, calmer, and I'm beginning to wonder, is that just age? Life in general? Or is it the seasons doing what they do? One thing I can say about creativity, it's always shifting. I don't think I really noticed that before. But I'm certainly paying attention now. Anyways. I remember why I ordered this kit last year. Not always having to create from a blank slate. A box with everything inside. Instructions included. something I can follow along with. Let making simply be making. What really drew me was the natural wood. No finish, no stain. I don't know if I'm mirroring the secretary or if I'm starting to appreciate untouched grain. There is a temptation, of course. I could paint the exterior of this, matching it to the wainscoting, pulling the whole fabric studio together, making it feel complete. But I'm holding back a bit because once it's entirely painted, the room changes. It becomes sharper, more elevated. And I don't want that here. What I do want is a place that welcomes. Instead, I'm choosing to paint just the back panel. This will softly highlight the hanging fabrics without feeling too polished. I should probably mention this. This is a fabric wall. It's the anchor of the room. The piece that inspired this project. It's not really for display. More of a piece where things begin and choices can be made. A creative space that feels open to whoever might wander in. Because not everything I make is for me alone.